Advanced Material Base. I come in down here. I'll come in with a jug. No, I'll come in with a dark storm. You come in, you wait a little bit. These guys are going to start generating enemy, and then you stop. And if you stop, they'll stop generating enemies. This guy's going to die. There you go. Now he's going to make a... We should get a plane out of here. Yep, there he is. All right. Now, if you stop and you go back in, they won't generate them anymore. So we're going to go back in and do the same thing. Spread them out just a little bit. Put them all on hold. Take my Nick, take him out. Now we got to get rid of this guy. All right, now we're going to go over here. We're going to shoot right here. Just to clear out all the stuff over here. All right, now we'll bring them over here. Put them on hold. We will bring in the hive. He can start his process. This is just a distraction. All right, we're done with him. Now we're going to bring these guys over here. I'm going to get rid of these guys. Now wait till he shoots. As soon as he shoots, we'll attack. There, bingo, attack. If he does shoot it, you just get out of the way. Oh, there's one thing I forgot to do. I forgot to put on, all right. We'll do that in a minute. Usually I have electric on. With electric, it just freezes all these things. So if they do shoot at you, they don't shoot for long. Okay, you can come right back here and hold. Now we got to get rid of the rail. Got to kill the rail. So we'll go over here and kill the rail. Don't go in here. Don't go in here. There's mines. All right. Now we got to go back. Let's head back. Now, these guys are going back. I need to get... these guys over here to kill the mines for me. There. All right. Can't do it yet. So let's clear him out. He's part of the problem. He's killing too many. Hopefully I don't hit a mine. All right. There you go. Deselect him. Did we get the mines? Hopefully we did. All right, let's go kill some stuff. See what these guys can do. Just waiting for the timer to run out. Then I'm going to reset and I'm going to put on shock. I forgot to put on shock. That's all right. We're doing all right. All right. That's better. That'll give us better results. All right. Let's get this going again. Now they'll build up a little bit. When they build up, we will be able to use them. All right, now we're going after the rail. Let's go get them. While they're doing that, all they have to do is shock him. There, he's shocked. Kill him fast and get out. There, okay, come back. Now we just slowly kill what we can. Don't get too close to anything. Get them moving. While they're attacking, you kill them. That's it. Now you bring all your troops in. But remember, before you bring your troops in, clear out the mines. You'll wish you did if you don't. All you're doing is you're cleaning up. That's all she wrote. Let's see what we get. 5,000. Not bad. Not bad. All right, let's see how much damage. It shouldn't be a lot. Let's find out how much there was. Ah, 6 minutes. So with 6 minutes damage, what you do is you take somebody out. Okay, he didn't get much damage. Who got damage? Did Nick get damage? Yeah, there it is. Okay. As you can see, it's immediate repair. Who'd I take out? Dark Storm and Nick. Immediate repair. So it costs you nothing. So we got Dark Storm, Nova, 2 Lancers, 2 Overseers, the Hive, and Nick. That was it.